So, what's up guys? So today, meron na naman tayong bagong extreme smile rehab. So from this to this. So, if you guys want to find out how we did it, stay tuned.
So guys, eto nga pala ang patient natin for today. Nung unang punta ng patient namin sa clinic, wala na siyang ngipin sa upper part at nagko-complain siya tungkol sa maluwag niyang dentures. We placed 2 units of 5-minute implants. The surgery takes 5 minutes per implant and made her a 3D printed over denture. 3D printed dentures are a good choice dahil mas precise ang fit at mas mabilis ang production compared to traditional methods. Kung sakaling mabasag o mawala ito, madali namin itong ma-reprint o ma-duplicate. Kung sakaling mabasag o mawala ito, madali namin itong ma-reprint. Masaya naman siya sa resulta pero recently gusto niyang mag-upgrade to a fixed solution. Kaya nag-recommend kami na magdagdag ng 4 pang implants at mag-switch sa 3D printed bridge. 3D printed bridges are an excellent choice dahil matibay, highly accurate at nagbibigay ng natural look. Plus, katulad ng denture, we can quickly reprint or duplicate it if needed. Ngayon, she has 6 implants and a fixed 3D printed bridge. Masaya siya sa result and feels more confident with her new teeth.
Para sa mga pasyente na gusto kong makausap, pwede tayong mag-online consultation or actual consultation para malaman nyo kung paano natin gagawin ang inyong smile rehab. Thank you guys for watching my videos guys. Ako nga po pala si Doc Sly Bukad and goodbye.